Hey YouTube, it's a beautiful day. This video is going to be about staying home. Luckily, I have these beautiful chickens. We have three. I used to have four if you've seen my prior videos. One passed away. We don't kill our chickens for meat. They're just egg-laying hens. These are they're going on 6 years old. Just gave them a head of lettuce. And thankfully we have plenty of oranges. If anything, we have more than we can eat, so we give them away. Other than that, it's a beautiful day. I have to catch up on some gardening that I've been procrastinating on because now I'm gonna have more time. I'm gonna have more time to enjoy my hobbies, and that's what you gotta do. You gotta make the best of the situation. We just received a recent order to shelter in place in our county until April 7th. So we're gonna obey that and all is gonna go well. I hope you and yours are well wherever you are. And so I'm gonna share with you some of my hobbies on this video to keep me occupied. One of the things now that we're kind of stuck at home, cooking at home is the best. You can go out. I just finished, well, a while ago, I just finished eating a plate of, but what I made here is a nice big pot of soup, and the green vegetables there are watercressants. Watercressants are cheap, inexpensive. I added some pork and some potatoes and beans and even a side of bacon. And basically this is just delicious soup that is very good for you. It's the last few days, and watercressants are really good for your lungs. So it's probably the best vegetable you can put in soup. And they're, like I said, they're inexpensive. You can find them at most grocery stores. Watercressants are really they're very good for lung health. So cooking at home, hanging out. Hope everyone's doing well. The thing I do, I just finished meditating for about 20 minutes. Now, I'm not saying don't watch the news or your local news to know what's going on around you. And to not, you don't want to be oblivious to things that are happening, but don't watch the news. At least I'm not. I just turned this on here just to do the video. I'll watch the news for about 15, 20 minutes to get an update on my local news, and then I'm turning the channel. It's just not, now I actually have Netflix, and also I received to stay safe and to, just chill out. So I'll show you some of the other things that I'm doing while we're going through this phase, but it is what it is. We just have to make the best of it. We're all in this together. If we all do the right thing, this thing will stop spreading. Quick recipe that I make here at home is tacos or soft tacos. Basically, some hamburger meat. I chopped up some onion, a little bit of garlic. Turn this down. I'm not turning into a cooking channel. It's just easy recipes when you're inside and much healthier. I actually had a little leftover rice that I included in there. So there's some bell peppers. We got some tortillas. And basically, very easy to make. Now, normally I have some shredded cheese here. I would add avocado to these, but the avocados I had were a few days old, and they already they went bad. So that's it. Staying at home, staying inside, cooking, and much healthier and cheaper than going out to eat. Yeah, so this Amazon, I think it's called the Amazon Fire. Basically, It's been great. You can see videos on YouTube, Netflix. I already had Netflix, but they give you 1 year when you sign up with Disney Plus. So what a great time to catch up on series. Actually just finished this one with Al Pacino. It's actually a pretty good series, The Hunters. And so we're doing things to stay occupied is just... So kicking back with my favorite popcorn. Got almonds in it. Almonds, and with my buddy, Vladimir, what's the popcorn? You can't eat popcorn. You're just a cute little dog. Can't eat popcorn, honey. Watching movies. My new arrangement. Oh, good stuff. Like I said, you got to make the best of things. Getting to know your neighbors. You know, I've been giving my neighbors that don't have fruit, I give them bags of oranges. And right now, oranges are in high demand. Vitamin C is very important in other fruits. So, and how to keep your mind occupied and off of all the negativity. We got to get through this together, and we shall. But it's going to take everyone to cooperate and make some sacrifices. Everyone, I picked up another box. I'm gonna rub my first find, my first 90%er. And so let's open this box. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And we're gonna cut this box and try to find some silver. Oh, wow. This is definitely circulated. And see if we find any enders. I've never found an ender or a Benji. And so an ender is a silver coin on the end. I had a few people ask me that last time. So I'm gonna search this and I'll bring you back as soon as I find something. Well, I told you I'd bring you back when I found something, and this is it. It's a 2003 proof. You can see the head's frosted with a shiny, but it's in pretty rough shape. So that's it, a 2003 proof. And this will be Skunk Box number 3. We didn't find anything. I'll keep the proof. It's a S mark. I think is San Francisco, but it's in rough shape. All right, so Skunk Box number 3. We went through this box, and we'll see you on the next one. We'll have better luck on the next box.